Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Me Prakash, Adhikari and Bro. So today we are heading to Queenstown. We are having 2 nights in Queenstown. We have already booked the batch here. Right now we are in Christchurch. It's 6 a.m. in the morning and it's a 7-hour drive for us. So guys, the video will be very interesting. Please check out.
Keep watching.
Thank you. So,
we didn't expect there will be rain on that day. It was raining continuously in the morning. It was difficult for us to take the video in the morning because of the rain.
we have to drive in the hilly area. There might be chances of snow and flood. I don't know just what is going to happen today. But still, we are looking forward. Let's see what will happen today, guys. A little bit upset about the weather.
After driving an hour, we reached Esperton. But the good news was there were only few drops of rain. Esperton is a major service center for the local farming district. Esperton is between the Rakaya and Rangitata rivers. When European settlers first arrived here, the area was dry and there was hardly any trees. But extensive irrigation schemes have transformed the land. Now, Esperton is a large town that serves the surrounding farming district.
We are in Hints now. Stop our vehicle here. We just went to toilet. And as you can see, it's morning time still.
The weather is
still
cloudy.
raining. Hopefully the rain will stop. We might have a very beautiful day today. So we are hoping some sunshine in Lake Tikapu.
Namaste, Andy. Rian, how are you feeling today?
I'm fine.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say hi to our viewers.
Hi, Vandala.
Guys, this place is known as the Rangitata. As you can see, there is a 2 different roads. So we are turning right because the right goes to Queenstown and the straight goes to Timaru. So guys, from here, we are going to turn right for Queenstown. Currently we are in Fairley. So Fairley is a small town with 800 population. It is 45 kilometers from the Timaru, and this town is also known as the gateway of Mackenzie district. As you can see there, as we found a small train carriage here and it look like very old.
How are you feeling?
We're having fun today, and we are in Fairley, and we are stopped here for a while to take a short break for toilet and just feeding our little 2v1. He has already finished his breakfast, and my little wee daughter, she's drinking some milk there.
Yeah.
They are inside the car, and
Guys, right now we are in Lake Tikapu. As you can see the beautiful view here. It's quite cloudy day, and yes, you can see the color of the lake is quite different than my previous vlog. Just enjoy the view. Right now we are in Lake Pukaki. Here is a stopover, and we just plan to just stop for a couple of minutes and then we'll ride again. And we want to explore the view. If you guys are driving from Christchurch to Queenstown, so I will recommend this place. It's the best place to take some photos and shoot some picturesque views. So guys. So our next destination will be Twizel, and we are having lunch over there. And today we are going to have fried rice with fish and chips.
Yeah, fish and chips as usual and favorite.
We'll catch you over there. Just let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now it's lunchtime, so we stopped near Jasmine Thai restaurant. This restaurant is very good and very reasonable. We ordered some fried rice, and I'm going to explore the restaurant from inside. This is dining and takeaway restaurant, and you can see it's a big space over here. You can see my family member having some fried rice and crispy chicken. So how is the food? Good?
Good.
Yummy. Tasty. Very tasty.
So Brian is having fried rice. Divya is also having fried rice.
But hot.
And so these are the crispy chickens, isn't it?
Yeah.
And Sano Manchi is also having food.
Jaulo.
Jaulo. Yes. After having lunch in Twizel, we are still driving, and this is Omarama. Now the ladies' pass is ahead. We are in Cromwell right now, and the temperature here is 15 degrees Celsius, and we are going to a little bit explore Cromwell. So we are turning left. The reason we are in the town center for toilet. This town is known as Cromwell. So Cromwell was established by the gold miner, but now it is famous for the fruits. As you can see that there are 4 fruits over here. So that one is peach, apricot, pear and apple. There is a lake here which is known as the Downstone Lake. So it is only 50 kilometers away from the Queenstown. Guys, we are in Queenstown now. Right now we are in front of the Pack and Sip. We are doing some barbecue in evening, so we need some grocery for the barbecue. This Pack and Sip is quite bigger, so I'm going inside to buy some grocery. Now I'm going to open the apartment. Let's see how it goes. It's not so a big apartment, so bedroom is here. And you can see the view from the bedroom. It's awesome. Nice view from here. Bathroom is private for every bedroom. There is another bedroom here. The small bedroom called the Rio. And the private bathroom here. Very good apartment. View is awesome. This is our second time staying in the same room in the same apartment. Finally, we are in Queenstown. We are here for 2 days and we are going to enjoy everything. Guys, it's time to say goodbye for today because we are quite tired and we are going to end this vlog. And please subscribe and just if you give some feedbacks, that will be awesome. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.
Thank you.
Bye.
Keep chasing us, please.